Whether your next hairdo is a sew-in, custom wig, or a quick weave, using a lace closure provides the illusion of natural parting on your scalp. There are currently 3 lace types: standard, transparent, also known as Swiss lace, and HD. Transparent and HD closures offer seamless blending for all skin tones, with HD closures rarely needing tinting. But what's the best lace option? The 2x6 closures come in transparent and HD variants, perfect for beginner-friendly, low-maintenance quick styles. Our 4x4 closures are available in standard and transparent lace options in the most popular textures and curl patterns for virgin and raw hair, used for basic middle and side parts. Our 5x5 closures are available in transparent and HD lace, able to elevate your hairstyling with exquisite blending for deeper side parts and longer middle parts. But for the ultimate versatility, 6x6 and 7x7 undetectable HD closures come in silky straight, body wave, and deep wave. These closures can provide a frontal effect, allowing for half up, half down, swoop bangs, braids, and ponytails. From 3 parts to free parts, Private Label is sure to have the best closure option for you.